Hello children, welcome to your English grammar class. Children, today we will do grammar lesson number 20 is are am with ing form of the doing words. Sometimes we use more than one verb to show an action that is going on at the time of speaking. Present continuous tense tells us what is happening now. Read the following sentences. The boy is riding a bicycle. Second, I am going to Shimla. Third, we are cooking for the guests. In these sentences, the groups of words is riding, am doing, and are cooking are in the present continuous tense. I hope you have understood till here, children. For your better understanding, we will read the table which is there on page number 52. Let's read. Okay. I am watching television. I am waiting for the school bus. We are watching television. We are waiting for the school bus. Children, you have to write down this table like this in your notebook with good cursive handwriting. Fill in the blanks with is, are, or am and the ing form of a suitable doing word. Take doing words from those given at the end. First, the monkey dashed up the tree, and the options are on the page number 53. You have to write down the helping verb is, are, am and then ing form of suitable doing word. So the answer is climbing. The monkey is climbing up the tree. Second, Vicky is happy. He dash. He is smiling. Third, Pooja dash the piano. And the answer is Pooja is playing the piano. Fourth, Tina, what are you doing? Amit, I dash my pencil. So am always goes with I. I am sharpening my pencil. As you can see in the picture, the boy is sharpening the pencil. Fifth, stars dash in the sky. Stars, plural verb, plural noun. So we use are. Stars are twinkling in the sky. Sixth, it is Sachin's birthday. His parents dash his room. We can see in the picture that his parents are decorating. So the answer is are decorating his room. Seventh, Mama dash a sweater for me. Mama is knitting a sweater for me. Eighth, Mrs. Sharma dash the dishes. As we can see in the picture, Mrs. Sharma is washing the dishes. Ninth, the boys dash in the pool. Boys is plural noun. So we use are helping verb with plural noun. The boys are swimming in the pool. 10th, Sanjay dash a kite. Sanjay is flying a kite. Now see page number 54. Complete this story using is, are or am and the ing form of a suitable doing word. Take doing words from those given below. Here also options are given. Sanjay dash his birthday. Sanjay, we are talking about one person. So we use helping verb is. And the option, from option we can select celebrate. Sanjay is celebrating his birthday. We have to use ing form also. Okay, children. Some children dash fancy caps. Some children are wearing fancy caps. Sanjay dash behind a table. Sanjay is standing behind a table. There is a cake on the table. Sanjay has cut the cake. Nitesh is eating a piece of cake. Tanuja is drinking a Pepsi. Sonu wants sandwiches. Mrs. Gupta is giving him sandwiches. Naman has two red balloons. He is laughing. Niru is singing a song. Some children are dancing. Mr. Gupta is taking a photograph. Children, you have to copy these answers in your English grammar book with cursive handwriting and learn all the grammar rules which I have taught you today. Thank you. Goodbye.